Have you ever been drawn to the mysteries of tarot but felt overwhelmed trying to learn on your own? Maybe you've tried reading for yourself but struggled to connect with the cards? Well, I have great news for you. Introducing How2Tarot, the easiest and most fun way to master tarot reading. With How2Tarot, you'll get step-by-step video lessons and beautifully designed workbooks that make learning simple and exciting. Whether you're a complete beginner or want to deepen your skill, our mini courses will give you the confidence to read tarot like a pro. Here's what you'll learn. How to create a personal connection with your cards. How to perform powerful readings for yourself and others. Intuitive techniques to unlock deeper wisdom in your readings. And so much more. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace, from anywhere in the world. Tarot isn't just about fortune telling, it's about self-discovery, empowerment, and guidance. And with How2Tarot, you'll gain the skills to trust your intuition and transform your life. So, what are you waiting for? Join How2Tarot today and step into the magic of the cards. Your tarot journey starts now.